Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to share content from your Apple Vision Pro to your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to the settings app, and here in the settings app you need to scroll down and tap on the general section. Once you are in the general section, you need to scroll down again, and here you need to tap on AirPlay at continuity. Simply tap on it, and here you can see AirPlay receiver. You can simply turn it on to share content from Apple Vision Pro to your iPhone. So let's turn it on, and here you can see allow AirPlay for current user, or you can simply change it to everyone if you want, so anyone can see and AirPlay to this device. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.